Hey.
Good job.
Ada saya food is. Lie shot on people.
Yeah, guys, so this is dark also.
People should eat and bring and look on her now. Be a popping out the place.
Careful, you eat and bring too. So 2 hours and gas up the place. And 7. 7 so shoot up the place too. Yeah, what is already?
Yes, guys.
Because I told you I was going to cancel by the title.
Today?
We didn't even know correct inch, man.
Oh, already?
Come on. Yeah, what's the way to? Come.
1, 2, 3.
What's up, Essie girl? We know the good girl, Abby.
I don't know what I kept out there.
Back with another. Blazing.
I'm there, 50 months long, you know.
And a spin.
Oh. Alright, back to another amazing video.
Back with another. Go on, give up the good girl.
Yeah, true.
Come. Watch it. Go.
1, 2, 3.
What's up, Essie girl? We know the good girl, Abby.
I don't know what I kept out there.
Back with. Hey, you're fucking over here. Last time.
1, 2, 3.
Put that finger and face them out. Yeah, like this.
1, 2, 3.
What's up, Essie girl? You know the good girl, Abby?
I don't know what I kept out there.
Back with another blazing video. So guys, as you can see by the title,
Today we'll be cooking.
we are going to cook. Okay, we are cooking again steamed fish.
I'm not steam, man. I cook down fish. We call it stew fish.
Yeah, that.
Cook down, yes.
Our F.
And rice and peas.
Our F.
I'll be honest, my pot.
Okay.
Okay, from my pot all the time. every time.
Okay, yeah, okay. So guys, so man, we're supposed to cook. We don't know what time now.
Don't tell them, no matter about okay this.
Okay, yeah, the time
Well,
late.
we shall cook already, but we
The
don't cook it.
time late. That's
Yeah.
how. The same way I play with it. I mean, try put a little piece of wig for me. I mean, I go out, I look self, I look a bit, and so it's not perfect, but you know, good girl learning.
So guys, if you're new to the channel,
Please to subscribe.
and turn on the bell.
That's how to drop a video when I get notified. See you time. People with the power for 100,000 subscribers.
We're doing 99 now, though.
We're 99. No,
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah. So
People,
people,
no,
smash
man.
the subscribe button, man.
People don't even tell on a friend about it. Come let's say we take the longest road, but don't know why God
But we
chose
still a chat, though.
But
Still a chat, though. Still a chat it.
You know, we believe so we might get there soon.
Forget there.
I forget there, right? That's right.
So people, guys also go back to Abby and Kappa Comedy TV and go subscribe.
Right, that's song. Go back to Alice, right? This is a good girl answer.
And go back to Kappa's TV and go subscribe.
That's about it. Careful, I remember follow up on the gram, don't you? So.
No.
Yeah, people don't know and say, oh, I be in a makeup and she a cook. People don't know every time good girl in a makeup and must something go on. Picture. Yeah, guys, so we're getting in the kitchen now because it's really late and we need to just.
I'm hungry for real life, hungry.
So come with me.
Let's go. People, right now I take out the seasoning for put on the fish, so watch what I go on. The first thing, all-purpose season. I can't do all-purpose season, you know? This name kale, it's got a little flavor too. Not that much, but we use it the same way. Black pepper, simple 1 and 2, that you know already. And don't forget the chicken season.
Yeah, eat that for put fish.
What do you mean?
Yeah, eat that.
Yo, what's up in the kitchen? I'm cooking now. I can't kitchen this now, for real.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, make a sense, man.
That's you.
Yeah, make a sense.
It's season.
I'm say the food is my camera, you know. I test you pass.
Yeah, test me.
You pass the test. Yeah, I actually pass testing. I'm thinking I'm gonna say, oh, camera.
That look like here.
The people, yeah, fish season.
Yeah, guys.
Oh,
So,
and a little salt, some salt for this.
but so I tell you, don't really need to start now because the season that we have here is like this salty enough. Yeah.
That's true. You don't need the salt, but you can always put the salt.
Alright, people, so good girl, I'm gonna chop up the season. Them, you know, because they know I kept out of the cooking. Kept out the most.
Yeah, I do the cooking at Kappa's kitchen today. She'll be my assistant. You see?
Assistant Murati.
Yeah. She can't go for like wash the plate when everything we done cook. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys. So right now the fish them already cut up and not cut up, but they already scale off on them thing there.
Yeah.
Clean up and things. So yeah, I'm gonna jump in it right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump in. I might cut up.
So let's get it.
Alright, guys. That's a good girl. Yeah, what we call it? Scallion. Right as a she.
Yeah, I told you guys that I already cut up thing them, but the fins never come off. So let me take off right now.
Yeah, skighead.
Yeah.
Don't be careful. It's a skighead. Right as a she.
So make sure you fish them well pleasant, guys.
Yeah,
guys.
guys.
Fry them, you know.
Yeah.
Fry and then cook down. Really nice.
Yeah, cause people, you know, I'm telling you, it's last week, careful, and we call it some of the sliced fish.
Oh yeah.
Come here, I said the boy step in here. I said the boy stepping on the fish right through.
A big chef, man.
No, sir, I said I just teach him well. So, guys, we know enough of one struggle for reach 1,000 subscribers and so, you know, 1,000 subscribers and so, what all we can say is, just keep on pushing.
Yeah, look on cap on habit.
Be consistent. And when you feel like them now come, keep on push. And make sure say you post content where you know people you watch.
4 years.
4 years.
I'll still continue.
Still, in 4 years, now we have to reach 100,000. But as I say, I God's plan and plans. And when I say patience, that's why I touch me ear in the kitchen.
Yeah, so just continue to post the video later.
Patience free, guys.
I'll say how take long reach 100,000, that's how take long reach 1,000 times.
Yeah.
So it take a long time, everybody not happen fast, everybody. You understand?
Yeah. And guys, I'm telling you, this collaboration help. Like, collab with people who want the same thing as you know, and I just put out some damn good content. Because look how we.
Sister call you,
What you want come now? What do I?
Okay, people. Yeah, answer call or she gone?
No, people come like someone touch my eye like with the pepper.
Really, Abby? Yeah. Make sure, say, the belly inside of the fish well seasoned to you, see me?
Yeah, guys, good girl had a little difficulty. I take up the pepper a while ago, and I see all my hand touch my eye a while ago, so you know what, that good girl nearly dead, but she survived with the help of God.
No, here.
The people me tell you, I'm here cooking right the boy from the place and I watch you watch poop.
People
No,
be there.
sir. Get my dog in here. Damn nasty.
That's it.
Get my move. Get my going over there, so.
Wow.
People in our right man.
I hear a part.
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys.
So keep on pushing and don't ease up.
Yeah, right, that's what she or Jada Kingdom say. Oh, patience is key. Even though sometimes it might be discouraging, because trust me, we be discouraged bad. When they discourage right, you can tell them now.
But when you have to, one hour we have to just try and continue to push our time.
And you know, one way they mean, I be good as, I get, I be also.
One part again.
Oh, fuck it.
Yo, this disturbing.
Yeah, don't come back, sir. Don't come back, sir. You could even pretend for the camera and say, yeah, but it does, sir. Move now, it does, come there.
The video continue.
You cannot put
The video must go on. People don't follow where right now. We can't prevent it.
move your blood clot and come what is so.
Alright, man.
You can't make it
We're not no more then. I promise you. See that dog on the box.
See what's up with that? Yeah, guys, so don't give up. If I do this, bomba clean, sebo. Every time, sir, I walk. I'm going to put my back because maybe there's somebody. Watch back. Yeah, guys, so that's good, girl. I say, we're not supposed to talk about food in our room with germs. But we are eating. Yeah, girl. Like this is she. Yeah, people, so a good girl that I tell you is, no matter how hard the road might be, you gotta keep going. You got to keep going. Because if I don't keep going, you're not gonna achieve what you really want to achieve. And I want you guys to achieve what you guys want to achieve, because you know, enough people want them dreams to come true. Now, I want to talk to me, because a good girl take a sack right now. Right back. Oh God. You come sit there so careful. Now I want to talk to Mama Noah. And I can relate. We can relate because we're going at it. Can you put your light stove on so now?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so watch out.
Put the water in the pot, but the pot I will have to dry out first until we throw my aisle.
Yeah, guys, never you throw in aisle in a wet pot.
Why?
Because when time summer, when time it get hot, the aisle will start splash up on you.
For you?
Pan you.
You know to me. The fish, you know, normal.
I'm here to talk to them.
Yeah, you know, normal, guys.
Yeah, the boy, but not tell her that. The boy, he might learn. He not get around me for no reason. I start teaching him well. I taught him well. Right there, sir. I mean, I laugh at. I like that. I like that.
Go on, Aruna.
I'm gonna put 3 slices. 3 slices I'm supposed to put in there.
That's a book.
Based on the videos I've watched, like them put 3 slices, 1, 2, 3 cut. That's all. I like that, so she. That's all, man. That's all our people, no? Yeah, man, that's all.
You understand?
That's all. I think that's all. And it's best to throw in the coconut milk powder in the water when it's hot. You know, because it's easier for dissolve. You know. Hey, girl, you're chefing a man.
I'm supposed to cook. Oh, Abby, please, put garlic in the seasoning too.
I'm not put no garlic in no man can't tell me
Hello,
what to do.
I kept up kitchen.
No man can't tell me what to do. That's how I'm saying, be independent, you know. Talk to this look a piece of tail boy, I come tell me what to do. Eh?
Independence is different from me.
Independent,
You're stupid.
No. Yeah, guys, a good girl have a nice cream. How much pound this? This is like 5 pounds.
Bomba!
Okay.
Yeah, 5.
Man, what? So good girl go wash. Good girl go wash 2.5 pounds.
Independent. Yeah, look for me. They talk, you look for me. 3 pounds of rice you have today.
3 pounds.
Somebody can for please.
We don't have to go beg water people yeah, because guess what? We broke and so and them cut off water. So therefore we have to beg water and it's in your buckle and so yeah. You know sometimes the time hard and so you know we have to be real, we don't know. Sometimes the time hard and so yeah. We don't have no water, people here we got teeth water or we still treading. That's why if come watch where I give a little views, that's to come out of the struggle yeah. You don't agree with me? No talk to it. I'm never telling friend about what I forget about his dog. No talk to it. No, talk to it.
Yes, people. I mean, no, back to that was a commercial break.
Right, let's just see it.
That's when I put on my
Yeah, can you wash you off? Overclass.
Ah, sure. Now put in 2 one time.
Why are you running?
Why me I run? I'm gonna get one already. I'm not gonna go.
Mr. People, look all careful shave seven. Look all careful make seven look extra ugly right as well. Even though I'm not so ugly on the camera, but ew! We can't even take a picture with him again. But him still look alright, you know, but yeah. There use pepper. Scratch for the pepper and pepper.
Make sure you're not, you know. Oh. You don't break tradition.
Baby, what up? Mama, class! Get that nasty! Why would you do that? No, never in the funny. Mama, please! This was fun on the place now. You go dog fight in the kitchen.
Make sure you keep all of them.
Your rescue, my last. You go on the place big. Me not laugh.
This is snapper fish, right? Red snapper. It's pretty very delicate. It's gonna get bone. Aye! It's gonna get bone.
And guess how we buy the pot here? Because them tell we say this is non-stickable. That's all?
You lie to it.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
And watch ya, stick in. So guys, careful do too much rice and look how the pot go full up. So guys, while Good Girl was busy on live, the people like man end up and finish the meal.
Yeah.
So people, thanks for come join my live. You know, I was man is so Good Girl I try, you know, entertain on all about. But those left on a channel, I'm gonna put another channel.
See you with
Improve, what you call that?
Versatile.
Yeah, and hardworking.
Yeah.
When the people like man cook, wait.
Yo! I'm a fish there.
That's sure?
Oh yeah, see there now?
Right, that's how people man did that.
So guys, okra,
Yeah.
carrot.
Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna see if you match up to how it look.
But
Yeah.
people, what I can suggest still,
Yeah.
that fish are not the right fish to deal with, guys. The skin come off easy. So see the sliced fish now?
Yeah.
That good for fry them and then cook down, isn't
Yeah, the
it?
slice fish. I'm gonna love slice fish. What do you call it? What slice?
Slice.
Yeah, that slice
Yeah.
fish. Yeah, guys, I eat this.
Carrot. Irish.
Fuck yo.
Hey.
You could drop.
Ada take food. I never eat that tonight. Ini coba aku ni bangun tu.
Look at your food at your pot. You eat that?
This a video. I don't know. Guys, thumbnail cast.
Come there, I was right.
Hey, ada kaya ni.
Some people, as I can so try to look at content phone, you know. Even though we're kind of busy, so busy with nothing. We try to do web phone up all angles. So, you know, we want to 100,000 subscribers, help us get there.
Hope you guys enjoy this video.
Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Again, make sure to subscribe for the new.
Turn on the bell.
We'll go over to Avenue Kepa.
Comedy TV.
Yeah, Comedy TV. Yeah.
And subscribe.
We'll go over to Avenue to listen to the good girl answer.
And don't forget to subscribe to Capos TV.
Search boy when name Kiapo.
Yeah.
I remember follow up on the gram.
Down below.
Yes, so guys, no further talking.
AC Gang is
Out. Bye.